Isa ka rin ba sa karamihan na nakakaranas ng pagtaas at pagnonormal ng dugo o ng blood pressure? Sa video na ito ay tatalakayin natin ang mga pagkain na makakatulong sa iyo para mapababa ang iyong blood pressure. Sa edad 30 pataas ang tao ay nakakaranas na ng pagkakaroon ng high blood pressure at iba pang mga sakit. Ngunit kung i-maintain mo ang malusog na diet at tamang pagkain. Para bumaba ang blood pressure, kumain ng mga pagkaing mayaman sa magnesium, potassium, at fiber, tulad ng green leafy vegetables, kangkong, spinach, beets, prutas, berries, saging, kiwi, nuts, oily fish, at whole grains. Iwasan naman ang mga pagkaing mataas sa sodium, saturated fat, at asukal, tulad ng matatabang karne, full-fat dairy, at matatamis na inumin. Mga pagkaing nakakatulong sa pagbaba ng blood pressure. Green leafy vegetables, kangkong, spinach, at beets ay mayaman sa potassium at magnesium, na tumutulong sa paglabas ng sodium at pag-relax ng blood vessels. Prutas, mas makakatulong ang mga prutas tulad ng berries, blueberries, saging, kiwi, at kamatis dahil sa taglay nitong flavonoids, potassium, at nitric oxide. Oily fish, mga isda tulad ng mackerel ay mayaman sa omega-3 fatty acids na mabuti para sa puso. Nuts at seeds, ang pistachios at walnuts ay magandang source ng potassium at fiber. Whole grains, ang mga pagkaing whole grain tulad ng oats ay nagpapataas ng fiber intake. Bawang at sibuyas, ang bawang ay maaaring makatulong sa pagbaba ng blood pressure habang ang sibuyas naman ay nakakapagpababa ng heart rate at blood pressure. Mga inuming tulad ng juice, ang beet, kamatis, at pomegranate juice ay maaaring makatulong dahil sa kanilang antioxidants at nitrates. Mga pagkaing dapat iwasan. Sodium, bawasan ang pagkonsumo ng asin at mga pagkaing processed na mataas sa sodium. Saturated at trans fat, limitahan ang mga pagkaing mataas sa mga ito tulad ng matatabang karne, hard cheese, at whole milk. Matatamis na inumin, iwasan ang mga sugar-sweetened beverages at iba pang matatamis na pagkain. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries contain antioxidant compounds called anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid. 2. Bananas. Bananas contain potassium, which can help manage hypertension. One medium-sized banana contains around 422 mg, mag, trusted source of potassium. A serving would be isang large banana, isang cup of sliced banana, or 2/3 of a cup of mashed banana. 3. Beets. Drinking beet juice may reduce blood pressure in the short and long term because it contains dietary nitrate. 4. Dark chocolate. Cacao, an ingredient in dark chocolate, contains flavonoids, an antioxidant. Flavonoids may help reduce blood pressure. 5. Kiwis. A daily serving of kiwi can reduce systolic blood pressure. People who ate 2 kiwis per day before breakfast for 7 weeks had a reduction of 2.7 mm of mercury, mag, in systolic blood pressure. Kiwis are also rich in vitamin C. Suggests that vitamin C supplementation significantly reduced blood pressure in people with primary hypertension. 6. Watermelon. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline. The body converts citrulline to arginine, and this helps the body produce nitric oxide, a gas that relaxes blood vessels and encourages flexibility in arteries. These effects aid blood flow, which can lower high blood pressure. 7. Oats. Oats contain a type of fiber called beta-glucan, which may benefit trusted source heart health, including blood pressure. Beta-glucan and avenanthramide C, both present in oats, reduce levels of malondialdehyde. Ingredients present in oats can help prevent high blood pressure and protect heart health in other ways. 8. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are rich in nitrates, which help manage blood pressure. Eating at least isang cup of green leafy vegetables daily can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Examples of leafy greens include cabbage,